my name is Dr. Kelly Fredericks, and I'm a chiropractor here in Winter Park, Florida. And today I want to take you through what an adjustment looks like in my office. I often have patients come into the office and tell me that they've stayed away from chiropractic for years, if not many months, just because they were terrified of coming to a chiropractor. Well, here in our office, we do many different types of techniques that are very light force, where we can use the table or an instrument perhaps to give the adjustment for the patient. What our patients have found is that it's not terrifying, it's very safe, and it's very effective and comfortable for them to come to the chiropractor. So today, I've got my patient here, and I'm going to take you through a full body adjustment so that way you can actually see what it would look like if you were to be a patient in my office. Okay, so first we're going to evaluate your pelvis here. So now we're going to utilize the table for the adjustment. So we're just going to set the weight of the table, and you're going to see that the adjustment's going to be very light and very comfortable for the patient. Okay, so just like that, actually manipulating his pelvis in a very light and gentle way. Okay, good. Okay, next we're going to move on to an instrument that we use, which is called an arthrostim. So this looks like a gun. A lot of my patients have a lot of fun with it. They all have different names that they call it, but it actually is called an arthrostim. So it is a light force instrument that actually toggles at the bottom and is very comfortable for the patient, but it actually is strong enough to move the bone. So we're going to move our way up through the spine. This particular patient actually suffers from some low back pain, so we're going to take a little bit of extra time here in his low back. So you can see that he's very comfortable. Most patients actually ask if they can take the instrument home with them because they love it so much. But this machine actually does move the bone, so I'm actually giving him a chiropractic adjustment just with the use of an instrument. So as you can see, I can still adjust him without having to kind of pretzel him up or do a side posture adjustment, which some people find a little scary. Okay, so now we're going to move up into his neck. The neck, I find, is usually the main reason why patients will stay away from a chiropractor, because they're scared of having their neck twisted, or they would say cracked, which we don't call an adjustment a crack, we call it an adjustment. So I can use this arthrostim also to adjust his neck, so that way we wouldn't have to do any type of cracking or twisting of the neck. Okay, so I'm going to have you stay on your stomach, but I'm going to have you turn your face so you're facing to the left, please. On your stomach, okay, good. Okay, so now we're just going to check his neck. Okay, then go back to center. Okay, good. So we're going to do a nice light tap of the neck. Okay, good. Now I'm going to have you go to the right. Okay, good. You feeling any tightness or tenderness in the neck when you go to this side?
No.
Okay, come back to center. Okay. So as you can see, I just adjusted his body full spine with the use of either the table or the arthrostim. So again, this is another form of chiropractic, another type of adjustment that's very light force and comfortable for the patient. So I just wanted to take you through this so that way you knew exactly what you could expect when you become a patient here at our office. So if you're interested in becoming a patient or schedule an appointment, please give us a call. Our office is Family First Wellness Center here in Winter Park, Florida, and our number is 407-647-2220. Thanks for joining us.